Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Branch.io deep linking for mobile growth detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Branch.io deep linking for mobile growth, start by signing up for a Branch account on their website. After creating your account, log into the Branch dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section on the left side of the dashboard. In the settings, find the platform configuration option. Select your mobile platform, either iOS or Android. For an iOS app, download the Branch SDK for iOS. For an Android app, download the Branch SDK for Android. Follow the provided installation instructions specific to your platform. Once integrated, ensure that you configure your app's info.plist file for iOS. For Android, update your Android manifest.xml to include the necessary permissions. Next, proceed to create a new link within the Branch dashboard. Click on Deep Links and then select Create Link. Fill out the link details, including the link name and URL destination. Set up any campaign parameters to track the performance of the link. You can also configure advanced options, such as link expiration and redirection types. Once you have completed the setup, save your newly created deep link. To test the deep link, use the provided test tools on the Branch dashboard. Open your app on your device to verify that the link redirects properly. Monitor the performance of your deep links through the Analytics section of the dashboard. Review click-through rates and conversion metrics regularly to optimize your campaigns. Continuously refine your deep link strategies based on user engagement data. Utilize features like deferred deep linking to enhance user onboarding. Consider implementing Branch's attribution features to track the effectiveness of your campaigns. By following these steps, you can successfully activate Branch.io deep linking to drive mobile growth for your app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.